Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to protect WhatsApp with fingerprint lock on HONOR X7d. First of all, you're gonna have to set up a screen lock on your phone if you haven't already, and to do that, you have to swipe down the control center from the top right corner of the screen and tap on the gear icon right here. Now, once you are in settings, scroll all the way down and select Security and Privacy menu, then go to Device Unlock, then select Screen Lock, and then either provide a 6-digit PIN into this field or select a different unlock method and set up a custom password. In my case, I'm gonna be using pattern. Okay. Then tap Done. Then go to Biometrics and Password and select Fingerprint ID. Then enter your password once again and then tap New Fingerprint. Before you add a new fingerprint, I recommend wiping the surface of the scanner with either a dry towel or a microfiber cloth. Tap Add and then start moving your finger on the scanner like this. And once you're done, you have to tap OK. And now switch the toggle to the right next to Access App Lock and tap Enable. Tap Enable once again, and then you can either use your lock screen password for the app lock to unlock your applications, or you can set a custom PIN code if you want to. I'm gonna go with the lock screen password. If you want to set up a custom PIN, it's done in the very same way you did with screen lock. Okay, so right now, once everything is set up, the last thing we have to do is go to the open the search field in settings and search for the app lock. Once you find it, open it, then use password, enter your password, and now scroll to the very bottom probably of the list to find WhatsApp here, and then switch the toggle to the right next to WhatsApp, and right now it is locked. You can also use your Face ID instead if you want to. It's done in the very same way we did it with the fingerprint. Now you can just close your settings and let's try to open WhatsApp. And as you can see, right now we have to use fingerprint to access the application. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.